Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So this video, I'm going to discuss about that Bollinger Band along with the ATR. So yesterday I made a video about this strategy. So a lot of good response from for that strategy. I have already updated the scanner on Telegram channel on my Telegram channel, that is Candlesticks Pattern Trader channel. I have updated the code for 15 minutes and daily basis. So some friends are called me to ask about someone who know about how to make a scanners and screeners. They may copy and they may use the scanners because I already provided. Someone who want to ask about the scanner, so on hourly and daily basis. So that I'm going to create a scanner, and before that I'm going to back test what happened today's trade and how many stocks which is given you on that particular scanner using a 15 minutes, because a daily scanner we are going to use by end of the day. So yesterday we run the scanner, we don't get any stock. Maybe intraday can we see is there any other candle that kind of Bollinger Band breakout forms. So that I'm going to discuss here. And if I run the scanner today, it is auto run, so we didn't get any stock, but we got a two stocks for today's trading. So that is around 9:45. So can we see we didn't get any stocks only at 14th Jan today at 9:45 we have a two stocks. One is a Pfizer and another one is IPCA Lab. So how we can do the trade in this particular stock, what the logic we are going to use. This is a kind of breakout trade. If the stock we are using the, just a second. So we are using when the Bollinger Band, someone asking you through mobile, so that's why I'm discussing here about. So when the Bollinger Band, the candle closed above the upper Bollinger Band, we are going to focus for a buy opportunity. When the stock closes below the lower band, we are going to focus for a sell opportunity. That is the conditions where we are going to focus here. So we got a two stocks at 9:45. So where the time frame we are taken as 9:45, we should take that 9:45 as a opening time, and the candle will close by 10 o'clock. So we need to try to take a entry opportunity after 10 o'clock only. So if the low is broken on the stock, we are going to find out a trade opportunity. So that is the logic. And today we have two stocks. One is Pfizer at 9:45 and IPCA Lab. So IPCA Lab, this is the IPCA Lab. So it's currently the live market is running while I'm recording this video. The current market is going on, right? Because new festival season this was, I may not be available in the evening. So that's why I'm pre-recording this video, and it may be available at the end of the evening. Okay. So here this is the candle at 9:45 to 10 o'clock closing candle. So when the low of the candle is 1053 and the high for the candle is 1064. So somewhere around exactly 11 rupees is what your stop loss, while if it's giving you entry point. If it triggers the entry, your stop loss may be 11 rupees. So what happened here? Next candle itself with the broken the low of 1053, the entry is triggered here and it made a low of 1045. So almost 53 to 45, we have 8 rupees. It generated the profit, but still the market is running on, it's going on. Maybe it may be giving you even more profit, or it may be trigger your stop loss also. There is a two chances is there. But what we have to took the trade as per the risk. If you are ready to take, you are place the order. If you are the risk is not suitable to you, you may ignore this kind of trade. But this is happening now, it is running with the minimum profit. That is a one stock. So the second one is IPCA Lab. So let me try it, IPCA Lab. So IPCA Laboratories. So this is what we have already seen. And Pfizer, second one was Pfizer. So this was happening at this time at 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. So what is the risk for the traders? 4,910 and 4,929. So somewhere around 20 point is the risk for the trade. So where your trade got triggered by somewhere around 10:30 only. Meanwhile, the stock is not trading or breakdown or breakdown is not happened. But 10:30 it given you breakdown. So once it is breakdown, it within next 2 minutes, next 15 minutes candle, it fallen down to 4880. So where we have got almost 30 point is generated, but now it is trading. Still, the low for the trade is 4880, almost 30 point is generated. It is for an intraday opportunity where we are creating this scanner by using a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this 15 minutes time frame, we may be getting one or two stocks is good enough to take an intraday trade opportunity. So I provide lot of scanners and screeners, but you try to take the scanner and you try with backtest or you try with the paper trade, then you get a confident, then you can go for a trade. So it is not a compulsion to do it, okay, because so a lot of people are doing different kind of trades. So someone who trade in options, someone who trade in futures, someone who trade in selling options, someone who buying options, right? Someone having high capital, they are directly doing futures. But so what strategy which is suitable to you, you can follow that strategy only. Before following the strategy, you can do your own back test, because everything you got a free of cost. The scanners and screeners, everything I provide you free, right? What is your effect to make that perfect, right? So you need to do some practice and you need to do some workouts, then it should be the best and perfect for you. So that is the logic where I provide free of scanners, so you can take it and you can backtest, then you can use it, no worry. So the two stocks both generative, good profit. Right now it is running because I am recording this one as a real market, so live market is going on now. And so I'm going to take this for an hourly time frame. So simply we can change as an hourly time frame with the same code. On first one is we are going to use 16 minutes time frame or 1 hour. So let me go here. You change, this is a simple change. You can change your scanners here 1 hour, then done. So first you can change all the thing is 1 hour candle, and then here also you can change 1 hour. What are the time frame you want, you can change 1 hour. So this is the conditions where we are going to find out, right? According to your time, your convenience. So you can use intraday or a short term positional, or you can do some other thing, right? So this we will save as, so intraday, it is a 16 minutes. We will use 16 minutes time frame, hourly time frame, hourly trades. Got? So we will submit as a save. I will use public. So now we'll go for a hourly one. So it is already set. So we'll run the back test. If you find any stocks, so we got some stocks. Let us use 30th January. So that is mean yesterday we got some stocks at 13th Jan 9:15. This is happening on 12th Jan. So only few stocks we got it. So let me change the ATR factor, will slightly increase. So to get some decent stocks per day. So now it is okay. So we have, so you can adjust your parameter and you can try to check it out with your own, right? So let's try it how it is became how it is working. What happened here? So 1.4 we have used, and we got a stocks for today also. Let me try it. What happened? What are the stocks? 12:15. That means 12:15 candle which started, and 1:15 it will be closed. Let me try Gujarat Gas. That is happening. Let me try on hourly time frame Guj Gas. So Gujarat Gas. Let me try it out on 16 minutes time frame. Can you see? This is the breakdown candle. Once the candle is broken this low, if you are taking hourly, 720, 701, the stop loss is very big. 19 points stop loss. When it is broken above 701, we may be trying to take a trade opportunity. So previously we got a trade opportunity like a buy signal. So this one. So the narrow and expand. So from here it went up huge, and same like that we got a narrow, there is a expand. So may have the chances, once it is broken there is a chances to go down. So you can focus as per your risk ability. This is the live scanner where we got it. Okay, it's a live market. So 12:15 we got the scanner, that is a 1.115 after we are going to take trade. But yesterday 9:15 we got a Bajaj Auto on 30th, but it is not happening today. Bajaj Auto yesterday on hourly basis, where it is this one 915, it is never giving you buy opportunity. And what about other stocks? Bajaj Auto, then next one also be Bajaj Auto, and next one should be also Bajaj Auto. So only the Bajaj Auto, 3 candle it forms, nowhere it gives you sale opportunity, buy opportunity. The first one and second one, third one, we didn't get any opportunity. But once you get an opportunity, there is a big chances to make some short-term trade. And previously we got 4th January at 9:15, that is Escorts. Let me try it out how it is working. Escorts on 4th January, maybe this is the 3rd January, 4th January, this is the 4th January, we got a trade opportunity. This low should be the entry point. When it triggers below 1884, the stop loss for the trade is 908, but stop loss not triggered, but the stock is fallen down to 1847. It is an hourly basis trade. It take a positional. We need to wait for 1 or 2 days, right? So this may be working well, and even you can change and check it out. You can change and check it out, that one. Okay, so previously we have some stocks like this. Here we got a 2 stocks at 9:15, 3rd Jan, Astral and Power Grid, 3rd Jan. Astral hourly time frame, Astral 3rd Jan hourly time frame. This is the December, maybe this 9:15. So it triggers here and then it went up. And Astral Power Grid, that is also, it may be a failure trade. So the 3rd of Jan we are going to focus. 3rd Jan, where it is, this one, maybe no, this one. 3rd Jan 9:15 we get an opportunity, but not giving your entry opportunity, but next day gap up it reaches more. So you need to be focus which kind of trade you are going to take based on this method. So you need to be practice yourself and try to learn more using some other factors, using modify and lot of things we can do. Okay, same thing which we can use for a weekly also. That is what long-term positional like that. So it's a breakout kind of trade. So we can use for investment or option trading on the long positional trading. So weekly basis. Weekly, you change the time frame as a weekly. Everyone as a weekly. Nothing. No need to change the code. So let me try it out. If we find out any stocks, we didn't get any stocks. We need to reduce or increase 1.8. We will try. If we are using 1.8, we may be getting opportunity, but something we missed here. Everything is okay now. 1 week ago. So a lot of stock we got it. See, last January 6th, how many stocks we got it? Can you see? January 6th, 3rd week of January, UPL. It's a weekly chart. UPL. I think we have done a trade in UPL also last week. It's a weekly time frame. Maybe this 3rd Jan. Once it is broken the high of 790 and went up to 845. This is the candle. And what about 3rd week, 4th of Jan, UPL again. When the same stock which is present continuously, the first time you can take and you can wait for a breakout. Once it is happening the breakout, you may be trying to do. So 4th of January, see where we will wait. 4th of January also the same stock which present like that. Because it is a weekly, till the weekend we will be getting the stock UPL. And the next one we got the stock which is Pharma one is Granulus. Granulus. Let me try it. Granulus India. Where it has happened 3rd week of Jan. Where it is not closed. Let me try it out. Granulus 10 1. It's a 10th. So it's currently moving on. So once the candle is closed, if it is break above next week, we are going to take entry. This is a running candle where we get the confirmation on Granulus. Once it is crossed above this level by next week, so we may be trying to focus a trade opportunity. The stop loss for the trade is 318, but the high is 358. So 355. you can see almost 30 plus point as a risk, but it looks like an investment kind of trade. We can use for that also. So weekly scanner. So previously we have some stocks on November 22nd, Bharat Forge and Crompton. That is what November month. Bharat Forge November 11 22, maybe this, and it broken, it went small and it now started recovering. It may be your stop loss 782, but if you are selling a future, you cannot hold for a long term. So instead of that, buying strategy should be best for that to take a equity. The second one is Crompton. This is also be a sell opportunity. 22nd November. Then the low of the trade is broken from 431. It fallen down to 401 with the risk of 457. So if you want to try it out, you can make use of the scanners. I will send you that scanners on my Telegram. You can make use of it. I will save us this in weekly. So this will help you to find out such a great opportunity. Okay, I hope this may be a useful video to you all. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you liked it, kindly share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.